afternoon, Downers Grove. I'm Angel Lee.
And I'm Sam Kirk, reporting for the Blueprint News Network.
Here are some upcoming issues at Downers Grove South.
The Downers South speech team looks to qualify speakers for the national tournament this year at the upcoming national qualifier meet.
Let's take a look with Izzy Taylor reporting on the scene.
Thank you, Angel. I'm here with Jessica Windishman, and we're here to talk about the upcoming national speech tournament. So, Jessica, how have you and your teammates been preparing for this upcoming tournament?
Well, Izzy, we have just been doing practices every day after school till usually about 6, sometimes later, depending on what we have to get done. And it's been really fun so far, just busting it out, you know?
Yes. Okay, so then also, do you have any expectations for you and your teammates, maybe how you guys are going to place? Or
we have really good team members on the team this year, and I'm really excited to go and see how we do. I think that with the talent we have, I think we can do really well with all our practices and stuff that we've been having, so I'm excited to see how everyone does.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Back to you guys.
Thanks, Izzy.
We'll be right back after this short commercial break.
And now on to sports.
The boys track team is looking at lots of young talent to keep them ahead of the competition.
Last year, many of the underclassmen competed on the varsity level during conference meet.
Izzy is on the scene with one of the upcoming talents to talk about their hopes for the rest of the indoor and outdoor season. Izzy?
Thanks, guys. I'm here with one of the many young talents on the boys track and field team, Sean Lee. Now, Sean Lee, what are one of your goals for this upcoming track season?
Well, one of my goals is to go down and place a win state this year.
Very, very good. Now, as an underclassman, how have you impacted the team?
Well, last year I won a couple meets. I won at indoor conference, and I placed at a couple invites. So I added a couple points. I mean, I didn't do 4 best, I only did 1. So I did the best I could.
Thank you. Back to you guys.
I can't wait to see how the season turns out. Thanks, Izzy. Is that? Okay. I'm getting word from my producer that we have a public service announcement. Lately, a lot of seniors have been ditching school, and frankly, I'm just sick of it.
I can't believe them.
I know, it's insane. Let's look at what it does to our students at school.
You really think that you know people for 4 years of your high school career, and then they just go out and do something that you kind of feel alone, and you feel isolated. And it just doesn't help when you have no one to talk to. And it just really hurt on the inside.
Feel so alone, burned by my knowing.
The reward, it really wasn't worth the risk. And it's something I'm going to have to live with for the rest of my life. I did school.
Every day, millions of seniors ditch school. Countless students are left behind, leaving them sad and lonely. With your help, we can stop this epidemic. Stop ditching. Don't make other students sad.
Ditching school, best decision I ever made, hands down. 10 out of 10 worth it. Went to breakfast parlor, hung out for like 4 hours.
Bobby, stop it. We're supposed to talk about how you hated it.
But I didn't hate
Pretend like you did. No.
You know, I tried it once, and it just wasn't enough. And then I had to do it over and over and over again until I'm sorry,
I hated ditching school.
we have to be better and stop ditching.
I agree, Sam. I agree.
Yeah, I think that's it for today. I'm Sam Kirk.
And I'm Angel Lee,
Have a great day.
signing off.